In front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Contact. Now just tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to delete one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my contact was successfully deleted and the other ones were successfully set up as emergency ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!